Before we start, one thing must be clear. Longevity isn't about horsepower, looks, or brand hype. It's about what survives when excitement fades. We interviewed mechanics with 20 to 40 years of experience, reviewed fleet maintenance data, and analyzed Consumer Reports' long-term reliability reports. This is the 5 SUVs mechanics actually buy for their families, the vehicles that still work long after the new car smell is gone. Number 5. Subaru Outback, the silent survivor. The Subaru Outback doesn't dominate commercials. It doesn't top Instagram feeds, but mechanics love it for reliability and predictability. Engineering for longevity. Symmetrical all-wheel drive distributes torque evenly, reducing stress on drivetrain components. Flat 4 naturally aspirated engines are heat-tolerant, simple, and easy to service. CVT transmissions on newer models have refined programming to prevent premature belt or pulley wear. Long-term, real-world data. Engines last past 200,000 miles with minimal major repairs. AWD components, brakes, and suspension hold up better than many competitors. Owners rarely report catastrophic failures. Trade-offs. Ride can feel stiff on rough roads, not fast or sporty. Interior tech is modest compared to luxury rivals. Mechanics insight. It's boring, but it works. No surprises, no drama, no breaking down on a Sunday road trip. Number 4. Toyota Highlander, V6 Pre-Turbo. Cautious engineering wins. Toyota's Highlander is a textbook example of how cautious engineering pays off over decades. Why it lasts? Naturally aspirated, V6 avoids extreme thermal and mechanical stress transmission programmed for smooth conservative operation. Overbuilt cooling systems, reinforced mounts, and rigid suspension geometry. Long-term reliability data. Maintains drivetrain performance past 200,000 miles. Fewer electronics failures than newer, tech-heavy SUVs. Minimal, unexpected maintenance outside standard wear and tear trade-offs. Not thrilling to drive conservative interior and exterior styling. No cutting-edge infotainment mechanics perspective. It's boring, yes. But when families need something that won't leave them stranded, Highlander is gold. Number 3. Mazda CX-5 Balanced Engineering plus Longevity. Mazda designed the CX-5 to optimize balance and durability instead of chasing turbocharged horsepower or flashy tech. Key longevity features. Naturally aspirated engine avoids high cylinder pressures, reducing internal wear. Transmission logic is smooth and conservative. Extending lifespan suspension geometry is rigid, preserving control arms and bushings. Consumer Reports and mechanics data. Minimal drivetrain failures, low electrical complaints. Interior and trim materials maintain quality even after 150,000 miles. Trade-offs. Modest towing, not fast or sporty. Interior is practical but not luxurious. Mechanics insight. This SUV doesn't make headlines, but it quietly does its job for years without drama. Number 2. Lexus RX Luxury that lasts. The Lexus RX combines Toyota reliability with luxury comfort, but it's not flashy or over-engineered. Engineering advantages. Engines tuned for comfort, not maximum power. Naturally aspirated engines reduce wear and stress. Electronics simplified to reduce gremlins. Consumer Reports data. Strong reliability ratings past 150 to 200,000 miles. Fewer major repairs than German luxury SUVs. Owners report decades of dependable service trade-offs. Fuel economy is modest. Infotainment lags competitors. Not for drivers seeking extreme performance mechanics. Insight. It's expensive up front, but the RX rarely comes back with major issues. That's why mechanics trust it for families. Number 1. Toyota 4Runner, the ultimate survivor. The Toyota 4Runner is the gold standard for longevity. Engineering secrets: body-on-frame isolates stress, preserving components. Naturally aspirated V6 with a 5-speed automatic is simple, repairable, and long-lasting. Minimal electronics reduce potential failure points. Real-world data routinely exceeds 250,000 to 300,000 miles. Low repair frequency. Parts widely available across the U.S. trade-offs. Poor fuel economy. Outdated interior tech. Stiff ride compared to modern crossovers. Mechanics insight: it doesn't try to be fancy, it doesn't try to impress. It just works. That's why mechanics buy it for their families. These 5 SUVs share one critical trait: conservative, proven engineering, minimal unnecessary complexity, predictable wear over decades, components designed to last, not impress. Mechanics: buy these for reliability, longevity, and peace of mind, not for horsepower, flashy tech, or Instagram appeal. Before your next SUV purchase, ask yourself, are you buying for looks and features today, or for a vehicle that survives 300,000 miles with your family? Drop your honest answer in the comments. Every comment is read. And if you want, I can make part 2. Mechanics, nightmare SUVs. Avoid these at all costs, which complements this video perfectly.